A wise old man was asked why he had only a few friends. He answered, "Friends are like birds. Some fly away and never come back. Some perch for a while, and some stay by your side forever. But not everyone is lucky enough to have a flock of birds that always stay with them. Sometimes, it's better to cherish the few loyal birds than to chase after the ones that are meant to fly away." A young woman listened to the old man and added, "It's true. Friends come and go, but the memories we make with them stay with us forever. That's why it's important to choose the right ones, the ones who make our lives better and brighter." There's a beautiful story about two friends, a rose and a butterfly. The rose loved the butterfly, and the butterfly loved the rose. They spent every day together, playing and laughing in the garden. But one day, the butterfly had to leave to go on a journey. The rose was heartbroken, and every day she waited for the butterfly to return. But the butterfly never came back. Years passed, and the rose grew old and wilted. One day, a butterfly flew into the garden and saw the old rose. "Rose, is that you?" asked the butterfly. "Yes, it's me," said the rose. "I've been looking for you for years," said the butterfly. "I went on a journey to find the most beautiful flower in the world, but I never found one as beautiful as you. I realized that you were the most important thing in my life, and I should have never left you." The rose smiled and said, "It's never too late to come back to the ones you love."